Welcome to another episode of Asterisk Stories from the Barbershop Asterisk, where we dive deep into the world of haircuts, styles, and everything in between.
That's right. Whether you're into sharp fades, bold color changes, or just curious about what goes on behind the salon mirror, this is the podcast for you.
Today, we are taking a trip through the history and artistry of haircutting. Because believe it or not, these scissors have stories.
Absolutely. Haircuts used to represent so much more than style. In many ancient cultures, your haircut reflected your social class, even your religion.
And nowadays, it's all about self-expression. That's why walking into a barbershop or salon can feel like entering a creative studio.
Exactly. I always wonder, how do barbers and stylists actually decide what cut fits someone best?
Good question. Most of them blend technical skill with an intuitive sense of personality and face shape. It's not just about what's trendy, but what suits you.
Speaking of trends, what's hot this year? I remember undercuts were everywhere last season.
Oh yeah, but 2025 has ushered in some fresh shoots. Think modern crop styles, layered shaggy bobs, and believe it or not, the mullet is making a comeback.
No way! I've actually seen a few people rock the modern mullet. It's edgy, unexpected, but kind of stylish if you pull it off right.
Totally. It's all about confidence. But let's be real, after getting a new haircut, the next big question is how to maintain it.
Yes, people think the haircut is the end of the journey, but maintenance is key if you want that look to last.
So true. Tip number 1, always choose the right shampoo for your hair type. And don't skip the conditioner, your hair needs that hydration.
Also, ease up on the heavy styling products. Too much gel or wax can dry your hair out and weigh it down.
And here is a golden rule, get regular trims. Even if you're growing it out, a quick clean-up keeps things looking fresh.
It's kind of like keeping your sneakers clean. You may not need a new pair, but a good scrub makes them feel brand new.
Exactly. Well, that wraps up our episode. Hopefully, you're walking away with some inspiration, or at least, motivation to book your next haircut.
And if you've got a wild barbershop story or a hairstyle that changed your life, hit us up on social media. We want to hear it.
Thanks for tuning in to Asterisk Stories from the Barbershop Asterisk. Don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss an episode.
Until next time, stay sharp.